Good everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix if your sound is not playing in your Windows machine. Now to resolve this issue, there are a couple of steps which you could try. Now the first step to resolve this issue is to go ahead and select the correct output device. Sometimes Windows 11 routes audio to a disconnected headset or a monitor without built-in speakers. To make sure you have a correct output device, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. From the settings menu, you will have to go to the system. From the system, on the right hand side, you will have to click on the sound. Under sound, you will have to look for output section. Under output section, you will have to choose where to play a sound. So you have to make sure you have a built-in speakers or headphones are selected as the active device. So in this list, make sure you have the active device selected here. Once the correct active device is selected, also make sure the device is not muted, and you can also choose the appropriate volume from this section. Once this is done, you may close this window and then you may try to play the audio or a video and check if you are able to play the sound. In case if you are able to play the sound, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next step is to go ahead and check and restart audio services. If the Windows audio service crashes or stops responding, you won't get any sound. To resolve this issue, you will have to open the services window. You can do a right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you may go ahead and type services.msc and then click on OK. This should open the services window. Now here you will have to locate for Windows audio. It would be in alphabetical order. Once you locate Windows audio, you will have to make sure the service is running. In case if the service status is not running, you can do a right click and then click on properties. Make sure the startup type is being set to automatic from the drop down. Click on apply and then click on OK. And at the same time, you can do a right click on the Windows audio and then click on restart. So with this, you're making sure the service is up and running. Once the Windows audio has been set to the appropriate settings, the next service what you will have to locate for is Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Once you locate Windows Audio Endpoint Builder, you will have to repeat the same step as Windows Audio Service. You can do a right click and then click on properties. Make sure the startup type is being set to automatic. Click on apply and then click on OK, and then do a right click and make sure you click on restart so that the Windows Audio Endpoint Builder services are running without any issues. Once this is done, you may close this window and then check if you are able to play the audio on your computer. In case if you are able to play, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next step to resolve this issue is to go ahead and update or reinstall your audio drivers. Corrupted or outdated audio drivers are the most common cause of sound loss or on laptops or on your computer. To update and reinstall the audio drivers, you will have to open the device manager by doing a right click on the start button and then clicking on the device manager from the menu. This will open the device manager. Once you have the device manager open, you will have to expand sound, video and game controllers. Once you expand sound, video and game controllers, you will have to right click on your audio device. Usually it would be Realtek audio or a high definition audio. In my case, it is Realtek. It could be high definition audio in your case. You can do a right click and then click on update driver, then choose search automatically for the drivers and then click on close. Once this is done, you may close this window, restart your computer and then check if your issue has been resolved. In case if your issue has been resolved, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next step what you could do is you can disable audio enhancement on your Windows. Built-in spatial audio and enhancements sometimes conflict with the audio hardware in your computer. To disable audio enhancement, you can do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. Once you're on these settings, you will have to click on the system and then on the right hand side you will have to click on the sound. Once you click on the sound, then you will have to choose your active devices. In my case, it is speakers or headphones. Click on it and then it will take you to the sound properties for that particular active device. Under this, you will have to locate for audio enhancement. In this list, you will have to make sure you go ahead and choose off. Once this is done, you may close this window and then try to check if you are able to play sound on your computer. So all these steps should definitely fix the problem. In spite of trying all this step, if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.